scenario how exactly we'll try to create these basic variables and how we execute the basic Python program.
Sure.
Okay, I have already executed some basic Python program now. Let's just go practically and let's just see now. Okay, give me like 1 second now. Let's see the basic Python now. I'm going here now, right here. Okay, now if I go here like this, the variables. When I go to the chapter called like a variables, this is like a basic program I have wrote in Python. I'm just clicking here edit now. How do we execute the basic Python program? We need to know how we try to run the basic program in Python. This you see here, x equal to 5, y equal to 10, print x plus y. As soon as I click here, print x is y, I'm clicking on what? Run option. As soon as I click on run option here, you see what will happen now here. Output is getting 15. That
15.
means what exactly we have did here? We assign value of x equal to 5, we assign value of y equal to 10, and then both what we did, we have added. And then what happened here? Value got 15, got printed. Now, if I wanted to execute the same thing inside where, if I want to execute in command prompt, how do I execute that one? I'm going here right now. Okay, cmd. Okay, I am going cd space dot dot where exactly that file was there in D drive, right? cd dot dot. I'm going a D double colon. I'm under the D space. I'm typing it directly dir. Okay, cd space naz folder. naz folder where I have put that file. Okay, inside the naz folder I have put that file. Okay, what exactly I have put that file? This one, right? Let me open here. Inside the DNAZ folder, I have put this file variables. Inside the variables, I have what? Add where. This is what the program is there. So I'm going here into my command prompt here and going here like this. No, sorry, this is like a database. Let me go more down here. 1 second. Okay, now, not this one. Let me cut this one now. Okay, there was this command prompt. Yeah, here, right? Let me put this more up here. Now, if I type here more dir directory, I have to type variables, right? variables Now, inside that variables, I have what file? Addvar, right? Addvar file. So, how
Yes.
to execute the Python program? Python space add var dot py. Now you see what happened.
15.
With the same value came 15 here. Here also you are getting 15, and with the command prompt also you are getting 15, right?
Yes, yes.
Now, let's just see like a one more example with respect to the Python. Okay. Now, let's just see one more example because I have taken clearly how do we try to assign the variables. Some of them are like strings. Now, let's see one more example. Now, x equal to y equal to z equal to. In x we are putting tiger, in y we are putting lion, in z we are putting, for example, like elephant. Print x, print y, print z. As soon as I try to run the same program here, what is happening here? Three values are getting printed like this. But how do I
Yes.
see that in the command prompt? What is my file name? My file name is assign var, right?
Yes.
Same thing I am going here like this. Let me cut this one now. This is coming here. Where is my command prompt? Again, I am going to command prompt like this. cd space dot dot cd space dot dot. I am going to the D folder. 1 second, give me. Okay, cd space. Now what exactly I am doing now? cd space naz. This is where the file is. Okay, cd space what exactly? As soon as I went here, cd space naz, and then I'm typing a directory inside that. What exactly variables? Side we have to go cd space varable variables. Okay, now as soon as I type a cd space variable, now I'm typing here what? dir. Now what was exactly we are trying to do? Python, python, okay, python, Python, ASSIGNVAR dot py. As soon as I click here like this, Python assign var dot py, you see what is, sorry, I think I didn't went into that file, or there is some spelling mistake. Okay, 1 second. Spelling mistake. Okay, Python space
VAR.
ASSIGNVAR dot
No,
py, right?
double
Now,
G.
not double.
You have done another mistake of double G. Only single C
Double
G
G,
is there.
okay, double G, double G, okay.
G. Yeah.
IGIGVAR, right? Now, if I type here dot py, this is like a dot py file. Now, see here now, Tiger,
Yes.
Elephant, Lion, all this got printed here. Now let's just see
Perfect.
like a one for example. In that variables, we have some global variables, we have some separate variables. So that one also we discuss in detail now. Now let's just go to the what do you mean by like a global variable. How we try to assign this global variable value. Suppose x equal to name, we are defining a function. I will discuss in detail. What do you mean by like a function? Okay, in detail I will discuss. Okay, print Zishan is my what? The value of x is here that I'm going to print it here. That function I'm ending it here. I have opened the function and now I'm closing that function name. This is my function name I have opened, and with this function name I'm making it close. Zishan is my what? Name. When I try to run the same program here, what is coming here? Zishan is my name. Any question now?
Yes, I have a question. What is this DEF and
Now, same we have define. DCF is what? Whenever we are trying to define a function, we have to put define a function. I will show
okay,
you once we go on to
okay,
the function chapter how exactly we are like defining that function. Okay, what are the
okay.
basic syntax of that function? Now, let's just see example number two of that. What do we call as a global variable? For example, I am putting here trainer here and I am putting here Zishan here. This is like internal variable assigning the value. This is like an outer variable. Internal value, outer value. Internally, I am calling one value. Outer value, I have defined this x. See, x I am defining as an outer variable trainer. Then I
Okay.
am defining one inside Zishan name. This is like an inside I am calling. Outside, this is like an outside variable. This is an inside variable. Now, what exactly I am doing? When I try to run this program, you see program what is like happening, you see here now. My name is Zishan and I am a trainer. Any questions now?
No, no, no. As you said, this is the internal and that is on outside.
External,
I understood.
external, outside variable.
Yes.
Same thing we can able to execute from here also. What is our name? The same thing like this we can able to go from here. CMD command prompt we can able to go cd space dot dot we can able to go cd space dot dot we can able to go, and then d double colon, and then this is where my file is, and then I have this cd space VIRIABLES variables, and then cd space what is that name of that file? Global, right? GLOB. See, we have to be very careful. If one character is wrong, it will not execute. Okay.
Yes, yes.
dw2.py. Now you see, I think there's a wrong. See, let me, that's why it's better to put it like this. Okay. Python
Python.
space. What was that? GLOBALVAR right?
Yes.
Zishan is my name, but another program example, same var, right? We are putting what? 2. Here we are putting TWO2 means what? See, there is a mistake here in this one. Global VAR2. Global GLOB. Okay, GLOB VAR2. Okay, my name is Rishan and I am a trainer. Any questions still here now?
No, no.
Now, we have discussed about the internal variable, we have discussed about the outer variable. Now, one more example we'll see now here like this. Outer variable, one more example. Here we are only describing the outer variable, no
Yes, outer.
internal variables.
Yes.
Awesome here, Python is awesome. When we try to run this program here, only the same thing will come. Python is awesome. That's it. Okay. So this is all about like a variables thing. We'll see one or two examples more on the variables. Then we'll get a very clear idea. Suppose now, this is the integer. This is the string. If I put here both print x and print y, whether both will get printed? Yes, both will get printed. But if I give the same value to that one, what will happen? Now you see here. If I do like this. X equal to 4, x equal, both values are x.
Yes.
Print x. Now, which value will it get printed? Whether he will take integer value first or whether he will take the string value first. What value will it take first? And if it takes 4, why it will take 4? And if it takes string value, why it will going to take the string value? Because see here, when I type here x equal to Sally, what is happening here? The recent value it will take. It will not take. It will not check whether it is string or like integer. When I try to run this program here, you see here what is happening here. Sally. Any questions now?
No, can you please explain it again? Why both when we are using both at double X? First, why what it is taking silly?
It
Sal-
is taking the recent value. Recent value. It is not considering the string value. It is not considering the integer value. Suppose, for example, I am taking like this one more x equal to space equal to, for example, I am typing here z double e. SHAN double colon. For example, when I wanted to run the same program here, you see here, first it will going to save it where exactly it is, and you see a recent value it will take. It
Okay,
won't
understood.
take whether whatever it the value. If you put a numerical also, it won't consider the string value. Recent value